Hey guys, Chris Lambert here. Happy 4th of July. I wasn't going to do this unboxing today, but I decided that why not do it on a holiday. I've been putting this stuff off forever. I know it looks like a bunch of junk here, but these are a lot of items I've been buying for a while, and I need to unbox this stuff. So, joined by our cats, let's start unboxing. Okay, you guys. Yeah, I started late. It's starting to get dark out. Let's see how many things we can unbox before it gets too dark. I don't know what I did with that little light that I had, so let's start with this one right here. With the help of our neighborhood cat. See, I don't know if that's going to work. Let's cut this. So they boxed this one up really nice. Let's move this to the side. Here we got a fire maple camping stove. See if we can open that up, see what it looks like. That's knocking boxes down. It's a nice stove for camping. I was told you should have a good cook set, and this is part of it. A water bottle that you can heat up. Neighbors are all setting off fireworks by now. Looks like it disconnects here somehow. I don't want to break it. There it goes. Okay. So we got our handle. Got our lid. We got a nice pot. That's the first thing. Very nice. I forgot what they cost. I thought, whoop. $25 or $30, something like that. If you're going camping, plugging out, plugging in, whatever you got to do. That's item number one. Let's see if we can find something that goes with it. Hope you guys can hear me today. Number two, I got the stuff on the ground. I'm cutting it. Let's take this out. Because I think this goes with it. This was what was recommended by one of the preppers I watch. See if I can move this a little bit so I can get closer. So, and this was a fire maple and Arctic stainless steel pot. And over here we've got a whole kit that I bought for about $100. May have been on sale. Oh, I forgot what brand this is. It starts with a T. Let's see if we can open this up real quick. Pathfinder, that's what it is. It's very heavy. Ferrocerium rod for starting fires. On the back we've got a nice one of those fish mouth bottle holders. Nice knife, fork and spoon set. I think it's getting dark. We might not be able to do this much longer. And I think we have some fire starting stuff inside here. Maybe some cotton type things. This is really nice. If it gets dark, I'll continue this tomorrow if I have time. And then, of course, you've got your single wall stainless steel bottle. I don't know if this stuff is stainless steel or something else. I'll have to look it up, but might be titanium. Yeah, it's hot. I'm sweating all over doing this. So here we got on the bottom of that, if this will stay up here, we have like a cook set. Oh, doesn't want to stay. Okay, so we got a nice big container here, cup. Yeah, that's pretty heavy duty. We got the lid. And we've got our stove. So the stove, you can see it's ventilated. So what you do is you start a fire with sticks or whatever. Put your single wall water bottle or your water container or your bowl that we had before on top of that. And it's getting so dark out, I kind of want to end this video now, so let's finish this up tomorrow. Thanks for watching. As you can see, I've got all these boxes and packages to unbox. So it's Chris Lambert signing out on the 4th of July. Tune back in when I make my next unboxing video. Like and subscribe if you like my channel. I'd like to get up to 100,000 subscribers and get my first YouTube plaque. And happy 4th of July. Okay, you guys, one more thing. I got some pill containers to put in my pocket. The other ones were too big. I had to keep them in my coat pocket or lunchbox, so I need something to carry with me. So these were around $5-6, something like that. So I got those. So see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.